And gentlemen, welcome back to Souter Motors. J-Lap with you today. I have got a beautiful fifth wheel to show you. This is a 2015 Redwood Sequoia. It is a 38 LSE. This trailer is 39 feet long, weighs almost 17,000 pounds when fully loaded. We've got auto leveling, we've got a rear kitchen layout, we've got 3 slides. This thing is beautiful. Can't wait to show it to you, so let's get to the outside. Then we're gonna open it up. Then we're gonna show you the inside. Let's get to it. Alright, Sequoia is opened up. We are here under the power awning with the LED strip in the front. We've got some good outdoor space here. This is going to be your pass-through storage. A lot of space there. You've got your central vac over here. You've got satellites hookup if you want to have some outdoor TV. Also got the outlets right there. Your inverters over there. One of the propane tanks, the other one's on the other side, obviously. In the front here, we have got nice storage area. We are also wired for generator. So if you want to install one of those, it is not a very large ordeal. We've got our batteries and our disconnect right there. Got the trail air hitch here. Other side, we've got the other propane bottle right there. This guy, I will show you. It is unlocked. Auto leveling system. It is functional and it is convenient, especially on these trailers. This one, like I said earlier, it is a little bit heavier, 17,000 pounds fully loaded, just under that actually. But that makes these auto leveling systems very, very handy. Other side of the pass-through storage, and then also we've got our hookups right here. So we got our water, we got our tank fill, freshwater tank, we've got our tank drains right here, satellite hookup, all of that in a nice convenient spot right here. I'm standing under the bedroom slide. We do have 2 slides in the back. We've got a great layout on this one. But the 2 slides in the back there are on tension slides, so you hold in the button and they both go out. Under here, you can see our wheels and our tires, nice aluminum wheels, and the tires are new. They are ready to go, and it is a 6-point auto leveling system, not just a 4, so that is fantastic to have. We've got power hookup, we've got roof access, got a hitch, and then on the other side of our rear kitchen layout right here, got nice body on this, no D-lam, flush windows. It is in excellent condition. So exterior wise, that's what we've got here. Let's take it inside and show you what we got as far as layout. Welcome to the interior. Come on in. Let's start in the back. Nice open area in the living section here. The living room and the kitchen are split off very nicely. I think this is a very practical layout. If you're not looking to have a bunkhouse or anything like that, got lots of kitchen space. We've got a big pantry. We've got lots of countertop. We've got, let's actually just start right here at the pantry. Tons of space, drawers that come out on nice metal runners, so they are sturdy. We've got great overhead cabinets, great drawers. underneath here, so lots of storage space in the kitchen. Tons of countertop space when your sink and your oven are covered. We've got solid countertop here. Double stainless steel sink. Retractable faucet. We also have the Max fan back here. It's right above the stove area here. It is power with different settings. Great to have in the kitchen. Again, nice solid cabinets. We've got the 3-burner stove here. And like I said, when we're covered up and not using it, you've got a lot of functional countertop space. We do have a convection microwave oven, as well as an oven, and a nice big fridge. So residential freezer with the ice maker, and we've got the fridge. And then here we have a nice little bar section for eating, or the dinette over there with the table and chairs. But it's a nice functional space that we're sitting at. We can enjoy the TV. We can enjoy the other people that are sitting here in a nice little L couch, little corner couch here. Got a fireplace. Got a big TV. Got a sound bar with that. Just a great entertainment space. And again, we got some overhead storage here, and there. So these are the 2 slides that we saw from the outside opposing. And when they come in, obviously, they'll shut this access off to the back here, but it really opens up the back for a great living space. So that is our living area. Oh, ceiling fan as well. As we come up here, we do have central vac. We do have our 2 air conditioning units. So front air conditioner up in the bedroom. Second unit right here is the thermostat. We've got our inverter here as well. Little coat closet. And then these are our slides, an awning, our tanks, water pump, all of that. And then here, I showed you up in the front bin, we do have a pre-wire setup for a generator. Come on up here, we've got the bathroom in here. I want to show you, got some great storage in this guy. Nice big shower with the seat in it. Got the skylight, got the power vent. But what we have back here, which is awesome to have in a bathroom in an RV, is a ton of storage. Also, we have the hookups in here for washer dryer unit if you like. All of these shelves can come out with screws, so you could theoretically have a double unit in here. And then you've also got plenty of room, toilet, sink, and medicine cabinet wise. Great layout for a bathroom. Coming up to the front, got our memory foam mattress. This is a slide, obviously takes it out so that we can walk around the bed, giving you plenty of space there. We've got wardrobe space, overhead cabinet space, TV. Our second thermostat is right there. We've got a huge front closet here with shelving built in, and you got the bar above. So lots of space in here as well. And that is about it. So, to recap, this is our Sequoia 2015. It is by Redwood 38 LSE. And if you folks have any questions about it, please give us a call at Solder Motors. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day.